Hi guys, let us understand where to use live connection and where to use extract connection. Live connection is basically used when the data source is hosted in the cloud, any live platform, we are taking the data. In case of a live data platform, live connection or live data, what happened, the visual part is visual we have using, complex visual we cannot use. Complex visual not used. Okay, basically we not use the complex visual because we add more filters here, filter parameter or calculation. Then our data source is our live data. The data size is very big, so that performance of the dashboard is slow. Next part, in case of a extract, another point I have added for the live, when the data source is refresh, live data is replaced, visual refresh automatically. Clear? So there is a difference between when the data source is refreshed, visual refresh automatically. Next point, extract. Extract, what happen, in case of extract, we are taking the data whatever in our system, like system data. We have Excel file, text file, CSV file, and we have SQL server, any server is there. Okay, so this part we are using the extract use. Extract, this is visual, complex visual we are using inside. No performance issue, here. Next point is that we are understanding the calculations, all these things are not applicable in case of a more number of calculation is not applicable in case of live connection. Filters or parameter we are able to create. Next, refresh, manual refresh. Manually we refresh the data, means if I change the Excel file any part, if I change this Excel file, so I add other Excel file, we have to refresh this part, or some data is added here, then we have to go there, go to our data source, right click here, refresh, the data source will be refreshed. That's all for live and extract connection. And next question is, when you use live connection, when you use extract connection, as per the requirement we are using. So if the data size is big or it is in cloud based, we are using the live connection. If the data size is small size like Excel text CSV file, in case we are using extract connection.